How to delete multiple Instagram posts at once. If you want to delete multiple Instagram posts at once, it is absolutely possible to do that. But before we get started, do make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button because this method will work 100%. Normally, to delete a post, you just select that post one after another and then you tap the three dots option and then you tap on delete, and if you have too many posts, that could be quite a hassle. So an easier option is, once you're here on your profile page, you can tap on the three lines from the top right hand side of the screen, and from there you can scroll down and tap on this option called your activity. From your activity, scroll down under content you shared, you'll find posts. So tap on posts. Now you'll see various posts all at once. Now to select all of these or multiple ones at once, tap the select button from the top right hand side. Now select the post that you'd like to get rid of or delete it. You'll see the number of posts that you've selected at the bottom, and you'll see a black check icon next to it. Once you're done with your changes, tap on the delete button over here. It will ask you for your confirmation. Are you sure you want to delete all of this post? So of course, now you just tap on the delete button to go on with the changes. And this is a simple way on how you can delete all of these multiple Instagram posts at once, and you can repeat them according to reels or highlights or anything like that as well. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.